So all the children and parents voted and they'd like the castle, so we're hoping to site it here. We've got it all agreed, but we just need to raise the remaining £2,000. So we're holding a charity auction evening at Norton Village Hall on Saturday the 24th of November from 7:30. We've got 150 tickets to sell. Our parents and children have voted for a lovely castle structure from one of our natural play equipment suppliers. We'd like it to go here, but it's quite costly. Our PFA have very generously given us £4,000.
Did you get the local community involved, like businesses at all, to help you with this?
Yeah, so we've got quite a lot of businesses who've committed vouchers. Man About Town in Yeovil has really kindly given hairdressing experiences for children with sensory difficulties. We've got a few kids here that already really appreciate that and go there. And we've had lots of local businesses give us vouchers and experiences. Haynes Motor Museum, the Top Gun experience. So we've got lots of things to sell at the auction.
Wow.
And we're hoping to raise the remainder of the money for a castle structure in this circle that you can see here. Our lovely parents helped us get rid of our rotten pirate ship, which unfortunately had seen better days.
Thank you so much for explaining all of that. It sounds like a really, really fun evening, so fingers crossed it goes well.
Thank you.